Carl's brought the machine already.
Mark's bodging ways, using it for what it shouldn't be used.
Bert's tired already. First outing. Good morning, YouTube. Start another week again. Monday morning, 6:45. Oh, we love it, don't we? Pitch black, look. Oh, yes, lovely. As forecast, bad weather next couple of weeks. Sleet and everything, sort of back end of this week, next week. Typical, we've got a job over in Manchester to do, so we've got to go over Pennines as well. Worst possible time of year, but there you go. I've got a couple of jobs to see. One local school around here, Cavendish, that we do, and then golf club in Harrogate, I think it was, yeah. So that sounds interesting. I think it was a car park area or something, if I remember rightly. But yeah, so lads are in yard today actually. Hopefully they'll get the guttering done on the cabins and stuff like that. Bit disappointed, we've sort of done a deal with somebody for racking for the yard, and now they've come back and said, oh sorry, somebody else has bought it as a job lot. It's like, oh cheers, like kept us on hook for nearly 2 months, but I understand why they've done it, but you know, we've sort of done the deal in good faith thinking yeah fine, so we haven't done anything about getting us own racking or making us own, and now to be let down when we're going to come up to us busy periods, a bit of a nightmare for us. So it is what it is, not a lot we can do. So yeah, we'll have to look for some more somewhere or make us own. Just at Harrogate Golf Club, basically, I'll turn it around. So they need to be able to do something with this, but this road here, A59, is really busy, so we can't just have a barrier or anything there. So what I'm thinking is, we'll have to fence up here, because they get deliveries and stuff and arctics now and again. It's come up there about 10 metres with fencing, and then we'll have an automated barrier here. I'll just look at it from here. So the barrier will probably be round about here where I am, with fencing either side, and then we'll have to decide. The members get a fob or a keypad, and then visitors, and then that's what they can't decide. Oh yeah, sorry, so barrier will go there, and then they'll lose them spaces, I suggest. So the normal cars can go in there, but they'll gain them spaces here where the fence is, and then we might have to take this little bit of wall down, or they will, just so normal cars can exit up there, and then this is where it says deliveries come back in there for the kitchen, and it gets soil and sand delivered, and then that there is the exit, so we'll have to have an exit loop that'll just open. Oh my god, I'm frozen. Been stood there at golf club for about half an hour in freezing cold. The woman were interviewing somebody, she was there, so I got groundsman going through it, and then she comes out after sort of been through it all, then explain it all to her. She had different ideas, like, oh my god, so they don't actually know what they want here. I sort of suggested, you know, like an automated barrier and an exit as well, so I think the groundsman liked the head groundsman liked the sound of it. I'm not so sure she did. You could see she was just thinking, how much is that going to cost? But it's hard to give a cost when they don't even know how it's going to work. You know, I've tried to suggest it's got to be further back because it's really busy road here, A59. So anyway, I've sort of said, look, I think you lot need to kind of decide what you want, how it's going to work, who's going to open the barrier, you know, is the handset going behind bar, you having a video intercom, you having this, you having that, because they've literally no clue. So I sort of put that in their mind, so I think they're going to have a meeting or two now, and I'll see if Matt can suggest anything better. But yeah, it's like you just think, you know, can you give us a prize? Well, I can't give you a prize unless I know what you actually want. You know, it's like all these things make a difference to the price. But anyway, so I'll make my way back to Bradford now. So I've got another job to see actually. So I better set off because I've been here longer than I thought. I park here. The business is actually around the other side, but they're renting this car park, and basically they can't get in and out hardly. These have been welded shut, so they want these taken down, and that post there, some steel palisade galv just like over the road here. In fact, they've just moved in here. Just noticed they've got a nice big machine for rent now though. Yeah, so 2.4 off of there. Obviously we'll have to be careful there. It's electric substation. Gates across here, and then take this down across there, and a single leaf gate putting in here. Oh, that's nice for rats, isn't it? A single leaf gate there for access control from fire exit, so it's got to have a manual push exit lock. That'll have to have a plate on as well, so they can't just open it. So I'll measure this up now and then that'll be it. Morning, Tuesday. Just get sorted, just had a phone call, delivery's coming for a job that we're doing tomorrow in Manchester, so lads a day. Got sorted, I forgot to film it last night, but we've got a nice little shelf built here, look. Baggy's just giving it once over. Since he blobbed and made an excuse that he had landlord coming yesterday. So, it's great that, innit? Got his fittings on there, that's what I've always wanted. So literally we can drive straight up and get them on. That one's a bit close, but we think we're going to move this light to there, just so we can get it. So we're just going to carry on with some. In fact, you might as well nip round Baggy, aren't you? Get a couple of posts that we needed.
Now and then go get it.
Yeah, just going to get a couple more posts in there and carry the shelving round. We might even put one down there yet, we're not sure, but it's great now, this space, because obviously we can get all the machines in there, and if we ever need to get a van in to work on it or all like that, that'll go in as well. Nice and steady like me. Yeah, they're smaller, aren't they, than them?
Just want to bring it in a little bit.
Bring a bit.
Oh, right, yeah.
Is that box ours then?
Yeah.
What's in that?
Onions.
Me and Carl are down in Stoke. Down corner from Port Vale Football Club. Just bought a trail off this guy here. We'll pick it up, but we're still getting electrics working properly. Sort of keep coming on and back off, and we think it's adapter that we've got on us trailer thing. Tiny that, a lot bigger than ours, 14 foot by 8 foot. Little belter. That's it, Carl. They were all on then. They keep coming on, but then going off. So we're over at Manchester. Not bad over here, actually. We're a bit bleak over at Pennines, but not too bad. We're just getting set up now. There's 3 wagons here. Carl's just going to get that off. That trailer's 10 times better. This guy's moving these in his shunter thing. Carl's just Ben's videoing over there.
As you can see, we've come to straighten some of these palisade bays. Some of them we're going to have to replace, because as you can see, some trailers have been reversed straight into them, nearly flat packed them completely. So we're going to sort these bays out. Some will want some new ones, some will get away with straightening them. We're also going to run an armco barrier along this curb edge all the way along. I believe Carl said it were 170 metres of it. So, big bolt down job.
We'll wait on Jamie, we've got to make a bit of a compound here, mate. Let him move that one first, yeah? And then we're going to commandeer like that bit there. Well, we said like 30 metres, so 10 sections from there. This is our space.
That's new installation?
Yeah, all new. 22 sections up there, and then there's 10 sections to straighten and repair. So we might need, obviously, half a bay in there where pails are good to cut off to put up there. You'll see in a bit.
They're all these, aren't they?
Yeah, that's why we'll have to reuse them. That's what I mean. There's not that many to replace. There's only 4 or 5.
The wagons it then?
Yeah, the reverse right up. So our barrier's going to go here. Yeah, so like we'll get this up today and paled or whatever, and then tomorrow we've got to put the armco in. Right. Then we can move up. Yeah, they can park here then, and we'll move up there.
Holding it straight up.
So that's just pull that out easy. No, it works. Honest, if you hit it, bang there. Don't hit the concrete, hit the steel. Go on. There you are, it's gone. It's like I know what I'm doing, isn't it?
No, 'cause it might flag over.
It's alright, it's out that.
No, but it might fling.
Go on.
Might have been a machine there.
I get a picture of the muscles vibrating off.
It's like I know what I'm doing, isn't it? You won't convince, were you, Jamie?
I've got that now, Carl.
Just let us stand it up, Cal.
I've got it.
Getting good use of this machine. Cal's brought the machine already.
Mark's bodging ways, using it for what it shouldn't be used. Use tyres.
First tyre already. First outing. And we've noticed fuel gauge don't work, so I'll have to get on to him with that, but yeah, it's pissing out that, innit? Yeah. I bet there's a lot in that though, don't you? It's taking a while. I will jack it up though there.
The tyres are... Oh, it only weighs...
No, but look.
Put a plate on it.
You better get off then, aren't you?
Tanvic tyres, saving the day. Didn't know they existed, but that's as oil. We're going to get a plug.
So this is where it becomes invaluable. We've nearly done here now. Getting them on there. To lift them on there by hand would be a nightmare. Absolute nightmare. Looks high, but there's no weight on that. The lads are just finishing here. Look, we've got 7 bays into there. Not a bad show. So he's just got back. So tomorrow he's probably get up to there, and then we've got his armco, which we might even start that first, to be honest, his armco along here. Yeah, because then the problem is all these wagons park, so we've got to keep stuff here, then we'll move it over. What lads, we've got to nip off tomorrow and do a little gate at a school, so I might not get as much done tomorrow, but we'll just get done what we can get done. It's a cold one today, very, very windy, a bit damp, but it's the wind, it's like chilling, goes right through you. Just started getting a bit of the barrier up, armco there, to see how it's going to go. Well PPE'd up, look. But this machine's absolutely fantastic. Can't get Carl out of it like, and he's sat there with a heated seat. That was a good buy with that attachment, so that. Just saying, good buy that attachment, isn't it? So far. Just grabbing them like that, fantastic, innit? Can't get Carl out of it though with his heated seat. But we're all freezing. I haven't even had a go in that yet. 30 odd grand, I'm going to start it. We've got a bit of armco in here, but it's just now we're just trying to protect our fencing that we've done. I've took a bit down for lads tomorrow because we've got a meeting. We'll take a bit more down, so we'll get that patch done, armco tomorrow. Yeah, all done. Ben's already gone with scrap. We've just got to go back now, get rid of that. We don't need that tomorrow. Yeah, it's coming on. It's just one of those, man. That cold and windy like this, it's been horrendous, but yeah, so see you soon. Ooh, good morning YouTube, Friday already. Lovely day in paradise again, wet, cold, miserable. I've just got vans started, waiting on lads getting here. We say quarter, but they do it one day and then think that's it. I might give that a little tick over. I haven't been started for a week, so I think we need that next week. Everything they need is on site. Just got some more barriers around here, you probably won't be able to see in a minute, but just them barriers there, which I'm going to put on the trailer here, so it gets them out at work. So we've got another delivery coming next week. I've got a meeting at Linthwaite School this morning. Van's got to go at MOT, so we're just going to give it a wash down, quick once over. Just going to get that sorted. Lads can get off then over to Manchester, and then we'll join them once we've had this meeting just before dinner, hopefully. So yeah, I shall get off for now, and we'll get some footage as the day goes on, and we'll see you later. Back over Manchester, I'll watch it. So we've got Yeah, we ain't got a bad setup here, we're just getting these in 1, 2, 3, 4. Lads have got 5 in when we got here. We're going to get them in, paled, and then get it barriered to there and then shut it off from there. They're not bad, good setup here. We've just got 2 more to get in, then that'll get paled. It's Friday, so I want to leave here at no later than 2 really, so yeah, leave it at that for now. Another week done there, so Friday afternoon now. Another week done for us here at Airedale. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, or even try that new hype button, whatever that does. Have a good weekend and we'll see you next week. Thank you. Another 4 metres.